I bought fresh sushi from a popular grocery store, and you won't believe what I found moving inside. Seriously, what I discovered under the microscope will make you never look at grocery store sushi the same way again. Let's get into it. This salmon sushi cost me $12.999 from a major grocery chain. The label says, fresh sushi-grade salmon. Sounds great, right? But here's what the FDA doesn't require them to tell you. Unless salmon is frozen to specific temperatures, it can contain parasites, Anisakis worms to be exact. So, I grabbed my microscope to investigate what's really going on with this fresh fish. Under normal light, this salmon looks perfectly fine. It has that bright orange color and looks fresh. But then I decided to dissect it and examine the flesh under magnification. And wait, what is that? There's a translucent coiled structure embedded right in the muscle tissue. I zoom in closer and, oh my gosh, it moves. This is an Anisakis larva, a parasitic roundworm. They're about 2 centimeters long, and get this, they're found in an estimated 90% of wild-caught fish. Seeing it squirming right there in the fish I was about to eat is just unsettling. Now here's the truly terrifying part. If you eat live Anisakis, they try to burrow into your stomach lining. This condition is called Anisakis, and it causes severe abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting within hours. In some cases, people actually need surgery to have the worms removed. The FDA has clear guidelines. They recommend all raw fish be frozen at 4 degrees centigrade for 7 days to kill these parasites. But let's be honest, fresh, never frozen sounds a lot better for marketing, doesn't it? It gives the impression of higher quality, but it could be putting you at risk. You might think that the best sushi comes from fresh, unfrozen fish, but that's a huge misconception. In authentic sushi restaurants in Japan, they always use frozen fish for raw preparations like this. In fact, it's actually the law for raw salmon, that fresh label at your local grocery store. It's a massive red flag. Real sushi grade means it has been properly frozen to eliminate parasites. So, if your store is bragging about never freezing their fish, you should probably run in the other direction. I'm not saying you should never eat sushi again. I love sushi. But what I am saying is that you need to start asking questions. Was this fish frozen? For how long and at what temperature? Your stomach will thank you. As for me, I think I'm sticking to cooked rolls for a little while. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching.